Hey friends, check out what just came. This is a ShowerMaxx shower head. And if you want to upgrade your old shower, just putting a brand new head, which gives you multiple options for the style of water that comes out, is a game changer. Now this one actually comes with some plumber's tape, which is going to help us, as well as a little filter. On today's video, we're going to take a closer look at how this works, and I'm going to show you how to install it. It's actually super simple. Let's jump into it. Now the ShowerMaxx shower head makes things super easy. Basically, you just have this little tab that you can turn in either direction, and it will adjust the water flow based off of the style of dots that the water is forced out of. Super simple concept, but again, having that specific pressure, that specific water style falling on you can really make a difference in your shower. Something else to note is that there's already a filter installed right here, so you don't necessarily need this extra one. One is already installed. All right, let's go check out the shower where we're gonna put this in. Okay, we're down in our guest bathroom and we're in the process of remodeling this. But again, having one of these shower heads is gonna give an immediate upgrade to our shower experience. You can see the old one. It's a wand, but it's really small head. There's only a couple of settings, and so we really want to replace this guy. What we're going to need to do is actually unattach it, and to do that, we're basically just going to loosen it counterclockwise from up in this area. Now this one rotates off pretty easily. I'm just going to continue to turn counterclockwise until this comes off. There we go, pulled off. Now as you can see, there's some leftover Teflon tape or plumber's tape that's here. Now, this doesn't necessarily need to be peeled off, but I would suggest putting one more little layer on top just to give it kind of a fresh seal. You can see how thin this tape is. Again, we're just gonna wrap this a couple of times and then snap it off. Okay, it should look something like this when you're done. Don't worry about this being perfect. As you screw on the shower head, all this will kind of just act as an additional barrier and kind of seal all that water in. You also want to make sure you rotate the tape in the direction that you're going to be screwing things on. Okay, it's as simple as screwing on the shower head now. Again, you can see the threaded edges right here by that filter, and that's just going to turn on clockwise. So we'll go ahead and twist that on. Now get it finger tight, and then we can potentially use a tool. See these little flat edges that are spinning around? Once this is on, we can potentially use our wrench to crank it down in place just a touch. Okay, with it in place, finger tight, what I'm gonna do now is actually stick my wrench on here. Just have to adjust it slightly. And then again, I'm just gonna turn just a touch. I wanna get that down just a little bit tighter. That feels about good. Now I'll also check for leaks after we turn this on in case we need to tighten it down just a little bit more. Okay, and there she is. As you can see, a really nice stream of water on kind of the default setting. This is also highly adjustable, so you can kind of move it around and get the best possible position for yourself. Let's check out some of these other settings. As you can see, I'll rotate it through. We get a little bit more of a powerful stream this way. Go back this direction, and this is gonna end up being a really high powerful stream through the center nozzles there. Now this is turned all the way to the left. I'm not exactly sure what this is for other than just kind of a drip type system. So that setting to me seems a little bit useless. Let's go back though and rotate through. Very nice. Definitely a thumbs up from us. So there you go, friends. I hope that's helped. Go check it out for yourself on Amazon. If this video has helped, subscribe. We got a bunch more of these DIY tutorial videos, as well as product reviews to make sure you are getting the best possible experience with your home fixes. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again on the next one.